Start by heading to Carson's software page to download the installer. You can head to carson.com/software, or from the carson.com homepage, scroll to the bottom and, under Stay Connected, click Customer Support, then click Software. Now scroll down and select from the list of app versions. Click the blue Download button and select the local file where you would like to save the installer file on your computer if necessary. CarsonCam installer.exe will begin downloading. Once it has completed downloading, open the file to start the installation. When you open the installer, the installation process will begin automatically. No complicated setup required. The CarsonCam app will automatically open once installation is complete. Note that the installer doesn't create a desktop app, but you can search for the app by opening the Windows menu, entering CarsonCam into the search bar, and clicking the CarsonCam logo. Make sure to have your microscope plugged into your computer before opening the app. The app will launch with the dashboard open. Here you can select device camera you would like to view under the Connect to Available Device section. Your image will display correctly by default, but you can customize it using two handy tools at the top of the screen. The circular arrows icon button on the left will rotate the current display 180 degrees. The mirror icon button will mirror the current display for a reversed view. At the bottom center, you'll find the Capture button, the large gray circle, used for snapping pictures or recording videos. There is a rectangular toggle button directly above the Capture button to switch between image mode and video mode. The red X in bottom right can be clicked to exit the device display. Aside from the dashboard, there is also the gallery, where captured images and videos are stored for easy access and sharing. In Settings, you can change the local window file in which captured images and videos are saved. Click Help to visit the Carson Support webpage, where you can chat with a representative or browse helpful resources, including FAQs, software guides, and manuals. We have a team of developers who are constantly working to develop new features and improve user experience, so users can get the most out of their Carson microscopes. With CarsonCam, you can witness breathtaking detail through Carson microscopes, binoculars, and telescopes. From the intricate patterns of microorganisms under a microscope to the vast expanse of celestial bodies through a telescope, CarsonCam enables you to preserve every moment with stunning clarity. Download today and see how easy it is to use our famous microscopes.